Chaitanya, please come forward. The global rules of the trade between nations the main function is to ensure that trade yes, come in. What is the number, Madhur?
18.
Yes, come in once. What happened? Too late.
Sir, 18.
Okay. देखो globalization, peace. So due to globalization, there is one of the organization is there that it is called the World Trade Organization, WTO. It is international organization dealing with the global rules of the trade between the nation. So once if India, one of the country is there, Tata company, Tata Motors or Asian Paints. That company also should be registered in a World Trade Organization through India. Understand? And the World Trade Organization, they guide to that one how to expanding your trade from throughout the worldwide. Understand? After 1991, India means so many companies are changed into the MNC company. So these all companies are registered membership in the World Trade Organization. And next one, it is the main function is to ensure to that trade flows as smoothly, predictably, and freely as possible. So, for example, in India, Tata Motors is there. The Tata Motors, the business should be started in America. Already, American companies are MNC companies. You know, Amazon is there. That is in MNC company. Nestle India Limited. That is also MNC company. Colgate, Pepsodent. These all are actually Coca-Cola. These all are MNC companies from America companies. You know, so American companies they can accept Indian product. You know, because already their market is spread out to worldwide. If our product comes in America, both are competitive, and most of the American products are American people. Indian market is good quality, less price. So MNC companies that one gradually they come down. Is it clear or not? You know, so that's why Indian company first they want to that. You know, registered with the that is in the World Trade Organization. The World Trade Organization they tell to them their companies. You know how one is called here smoothly, predictability, and next one freely as a possible. Understand? For example, Hero Motors is there. Hero Motors also MNC company or not? है ना? Last year न्यूज़पेपर में मैगी के लिए बहुत नुकसान आ गया, है ना? That is called Nestle India Limited. Actually, that is in Amazon. That is the American product. India में 11,000 crores of rupees earning from India. 11,000 crores. 11,000 crores of money. That is only for Maggi product. Maggi product के लिए पूरा भारत में 11,000 crores are gain margining Nestle India Limited. है ना? Once you are stop that one, so their market is loose. If it is India, other countries, general India में huge population, so we are marketing the very high. Understand? So that they again convince the central government, sir हमारा product में थोड़ा सा changes करेंगे, then will be accept to that one. Why? At the time we got the Patanjali. You know that one? है ना? Patanjali का product ज़्यादा use करो, but most of the children are very tasty about the Maggi product. Actually Maggi का वो मसाला है वो tasty है ना? And पतंजलि का ना थोड़ा टेस्टी नहीं लगते ना बच्चे, है ना? बच्चे एक्चुअली पसंद है. मैं भी ऐसे पहले प्रैक्टिस किया था. Then I prefer to that one वाली मैगी अच्छे लगेंगे. बड़ा पैकेट का बहुत अच्छा लगेंगे. And they reduce the price also. 10 rupees में also there, but tasty is not there.
So one time I bought its chocolate, Patanjali chocolate. It was
Not tasty. I know that one.
very bad.
And 5-star also. Cadbury also, these all are actually MNC companies. Chocolates also MNC companies. Okay. So, and another point, it support to the liberalization of the foreign trade and investment in India also. Listen, boys, the World Trade Organization, it is not a liberalization foreign trade. Foreign trade भी नहीं करते नहीं है. And investment also in India. मतलब World Trade Organization तरफ से through the World Trade Organization, the MNC company they should be set up the factories. Is investment मतलब क्या है? Factories also set up through the World Trade Organization. Once you are go to that one Indore region, Indore IT Park Center, है ना? Most of the IT parks are established by the MNC companies. MNC companies मतलब इसका design, architecture, employees all are from the American companies. So investment also, the World Trade Organization, they clearly given instruction to the MNC company, your investment put in India. Okay, so what about the advantage of Indian people? What about the advantage of the Indian consumers or customers? Because of the Indian people are getting to the employment. Due to globalization, what will be happen? We are getting the employment because of India. Most of the people are unemployed. We are required to the employment. And दिल्ली में फुटपाथ मार्केट में रेलवे स्टेशन में एक बात पूछ मतलब मार्केट में सर आप एक दिन के कितना कमाते हैं वो देखने के लिए बिल्कुल कपड़ा कोई अच्छा लगता नहीं है ना इतना सामान बेच सर आप दिन में कितना बेचते हैं बोलते सर हम डेली लगभग 10,000 रुपीज वी आर सेलिंग यस कम इन ना 10,000 रुपीज हमारा कौन है पानी पूरी वाली दुकान सर हम कितना सर हमके उधर मिलते 2,000 रुपया और लगभग 3,000 पर पानी पूरी दुकान वाला दिल्ली में 12 दिन 20,000 रुपीज अर्निंग पानी पूरी दुकान वाला है ना हम इधर 20 तो हाउ because of the definitely IT people they are coming evening time they come to the evening time they are eating to that one so it means that one due to globalization what will be happen to that one please Arushi what happened ठीक है अच्छी तो किया था ना हम इसको थोड़ा एनकरेजमेंट कर दो हाँ देख इतना मेहनत किया था हम उसको एनकरेज कर दो ठीक है नेक्स्ट वन अनदर पॉइंट इज दैट एंड boys so there are 3 points are there and next point is that one and next point please okay next point is that one how many memberships are there that is given next paragraph mein so next paragraph 29 of July 2016 how many are there 165 new book is given 165 new book is given to be 165 And all of you listen. Another point is that, please, boys, please. The another point is that one, the World Trade Organization initially focusing to the developed country. Beforely they start to the developed countries. After that they are focused to the developing countries. Okay. In the developing countries also, which country the biggest population? From that country they have mainly focusing to them. So 2016 and July 19 there is backside also given to the information and 2016 there is the 165 countries are there are in membership of the World Trade Organization. 165 countries matlab in UNO 102 countries are there. World Trade in UNO. So इसमें 165 countries are preferred to the World Trade Organization. वो system है because of the. So what about other countries? These other countries, small countries they don't want to. For example, Mauritius is there. ये छोटा island. इसको को business जरूरत नहीं है ना? But what about the larger countries is there? The larger all the countries are preferred to the globalization policy that is called the World Trade Organization. Next one, another one, and the World Trade is supposed to allow the free and trade for all. Actually, it is found that one developed countries have to unfairly implemented some trade barrier forced the developing countries to remove the barrier. And I already discussed that one. India is a developing country. India में some of the MNC companies also use market is there. So use market is there. So some countries that they are not accepted allowed to that country. The World Trade Organization they convinced to them the market should be free of trade. Now, for example, in America MNC company Cadbury is there. So Cadbury is MNC company. So that company is the worldwide there are market is there. So like this only. So India product also if you are come to that place. So our product also accepted to free in worldwide. That is instruction given by the World Trade Organization. Understand? Earlier only the World Trade Organization focusing only in developed countries. Then it focusing to the developing countries. So if the developing countries MNC companies also enter into the developed country, so they are not accepted that one. If they are not accepted, what happened was, so the World Trade Organization they said to that one, the market should be free of the trade. And another point, the last point is that one. An example of this trade in agriculture product. Agriculturists in USA are heavily subsidized by their government. Sir, in India, very some items only we are giving subsidized. But America, the whole agriculture market is given by the subsidy system. For example, if it is the market price 100 rupees is there, so they are giving you 160, 180 rupees. Subsidy rates is there. बहुत मतलब हमारा MSP प्राइस बहुत कम है. हमारा मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस इज वेरी लो. बट इन अमेरिका में सब्सिडी ज्यादा है. तो इसी वजह से why they are giving that much of subsidy? अमेरिका में every person minimum 200 hectare है ना. Large farmers are there, not in India. India में huge population and 85% of India में small scale farmers is there. भारत में 85% मतलब 5 acre है ना, 1 acre and 3-4 like this only. So that's it. And please, Pratigya.